Hi guys, today we're going to do a tutorial on a bracelet. I love the hobby of beading. It's so relaxing and it's getting to the point where it's kind of addictive. I just have all these things in my head that I like to create, and so I had these crystals, like kind of, not crystals, glass beads, turquoise and kind of a off-white color there, and so I thought I would have kind of clear beads here and the middle part as a design, and then the clear beads to finish it up. So if you're interested in that, let's keep watching and let's see how this bracelet turns out. This is the elastic kind of stretchy cord. They have this at Michael's or Walmart, and this is a needle. There's a big eye on it and it helps you bead like a beading needle. So you just put the thread through the eye there and get started. So I'm gonna put about 20 of the small crystals and then my design in the middle. So that's 3. I think one fell off. Okay, got it again. All right, this should be about 10. About 17. Okay, there's 20. So I'm gonna put the little turquoise one in the middle. All right, and then that one looks like a crystal. And then one more turquoise one for a little design. See what that looks like so far. Okay, let me go ahead and finish it up. I think I'll have a better picture when I'm done. So let's put our last beads on there. We have 8. All right, Diaz 10. All right, 15. All right, let's see how this turns out so far. Kind of like it. have to make this a lot less loose so there's no cord showing. Okay, I like that a lot. So what I'm gonna do is bring my ends together and make a knot and secure it as best I can with going over it once or twice, probably 3 times, and then use the hot glue gun. Kind of pull it. It is stretchy. Pull it a pretty good bit. All right, I'm gonna let that do, and then I'm gonna secure it with, well, let's try again. Okay, pull it. Now we want to make that knot, and that will secure it even more. Okay, I'm gonna tie again. So one more time. And scissors. All right, let's cut and then add our hot glue to secure the bracelet. Okay. All right, let's put a dab there, and then let's see what we've got. Okay, let's see. Let's let it hold for a bit. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, nice. I like that. Very simple. Using the elastic and the glass beads or the little crystal beads there in the middle for a design effect, and I like that. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be making some more videos. I love earrings and bracelets. Do it yourself. Beading is so awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.